Good day, Ma'am, Sir. I am Daryl Ann Gabinete from Palawan State University. Today, I will perform or demonstrate the IV insertion. The equipment needed are D5LR solution, wet cotton balls, clean gloves, micropore, IV cannula, tourniquet, and macro set.
Locate for the visible vein for venipuncture. Apply tourniquet 5 to 6 inches above the site. Check the radial pulse below the tourniquet. Ask the client to close his fist and palpate the vein. Clean the insertion site with cotton swabs. Insert the IV catheter gently with the bevel up at 15°-degree angle through the skin and into vein in one thrust. Advance IV catheter and style it into the vein until the hub is 1 mm to the puncture site. Once blood appears in the lumen of the needle or you feel the lack of resistance, reduce the angle of the catheter until it's almost parallel with the skin and advance approximately 0.5 to 1 cm further, holding the needle portion steady. Advance the catheter until the hub is at the puncture site. Attach the end of the infusion tubing to the catheter. Secure the needle with a non-allergenic tape. Apply an arm board if needed. Adjust the flow of solutions according to physician's order.